guys, welcome back to Kenny J's Life. I know y'all read that title. Today we are going to do a product review. All right, y'all. So the product that I'm going to be using is actually something I've never used before, and I see a lot of people talk about it, and I read it and I was like, oh, that sounds really good. So it's Cream of Nature Pure Honey. So this is the shampoo. I have the conditioner, and then I also have a hair mask. All right, y'all. And then I also have this Pantene that I'm gonna just use as a conditioner because I've never tried that either, but that's not really what we're gonna review. We're gonna review these products. All right, y'all. So I just took out my braids. My hair is a little, rough, but hey. So I just took out my braids, and I was like, ugh, my hair is so dry. I need something to moisturize it. So I will let y'all know how well these products moisturize my hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited to try these new products though, because I've heard really good things about it. I heard the hair mask is really like one of the best hair masks. So yeah, but before I get into this video, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure your bell is on, so every time I'm doing something lit, crazy, whatever, you will be notified, period. And that's period. All right, y'all, so let's get straight into this video. Gotta take my hair down, so I gotta start washing it because it's a mess. But yeah, let's get straight into it. All right, y'all, so I have officially washed my hair, and now we're going to apply the hair mask. So I want y'all to see. It smells really good though. The products actually do smell really, really, really good. So we're gonna apply this. I'm gonna break it down into sections so I can apply it. So I'm gonna do the back part first, and then I'm gonna do the front. This is what it looks like, y'all. The texture is like, it's not that bad. I'm just gonna apply it. Oh shit. To clean it up. right, y'all, so I have officially finished applying. I literally just washed my hands. Just finished applying the hair mask. My hair actually feels really soft already, like for real, it does. So like it actually feels really good in my hair. So it's like kind of thick. My hair is really thick, y'all. So I have to make sure I got it everywhere in my roots. So I just kind of massaging it in right now. Only because I really need it to like penetrate my roots and stuff, because that's like the thickest part of my hair. So I didn't comb it, as you can see, only because I'm gonna comb it once it actually finished deep conditioning it, because my hair is really dry. So if I comb it now, it's gonna just break off, so we don't want that. So we're gonna comb it once this finished. So I'm actually gonna put the plastic bag on my head and wrap it up, and then we can actually talk about the products until this is done. So yeah, but I really like this. It's not bad, not bad. My curls are popping. Yes, curls, yes. Come through, curls, yes. Curls, butter girls, period. Skin glowing, yes. I love it. The bag is just so like it can really like penetrate on all my hair, and then I'm gonna go over it with this, which is a do-rag, just so it can seal in all the moisture. And then we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. So yeah. We're gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. All right, y'all. So that's that. We have put on the bag and the do-rag. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, and yeah, we can have a little chit chat about these products, where you can get them from, how much they were, how do I like them so far, all of that. So let's get straight into it. All right, y'all, so as my hair is deep conditioning, I will give y'all a little overview on these products. All right, y'all, so the first one is the shampoo. All right, y'all, so when I use the shampoo, it actually is like really, like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really liquidy, okay? And when I put it in my hair, it actually felt like really good. It actually felt softer than a normal shampoo would feel in your hair. It gets really soapy. You only need a little, y'all. Only need a little. You don't need much, because a little goes a long way. Like, it took me forever to wash it out because I used it. I put 2 handfuls. So it took me forever to wash that out. All right, y'all. So the conditioner, I didn't really like it. Crazy enough. Like, normally I'm like a conditioner person. Like, I just will use conditioner, especially because I'm natural. I don't use too much shampoo. But the conditioner to me had my hair really dry. So I expected it to have my hair really soft, and then like once I rinsed it out, then like maybe it was like, okay, it's dry, but it, yeah, no. When I had it in my hair, it was dry. Maybe because my hair was dry, I don't know, but I didn't really like it. It's really thick, y'all, like really thick, and I think it's from like the honey. Like, you really have to shake it, and only a little comes out, but you need like a lot to kind of go over your whole head, and my head ain't that big, so. But yeah, it's not that bad though, like, but we'll see when the finished product comes out. So, and then the hair mask, y'all. So as I were putting it in, it felt really dry. Like, my hair just felt really dry, like it was just drying out all the wetness out my hair. I mean, I had to add like some water to it to really like, but once it's like in your hair, you kind of can feel it like kind of tingling. I don't know if it's like from something in it or what, but yeah, you could really feel it like tingling on your scalp. I don't know, feel kind of good though. But this, I like it. It smells really good. It smells really good, y'all. And it's like not thick, like it's not thick like the conditioner, but it has a good texture to it. And then the only thing I don't like about this is that you need a lot. Like, I feel like I done used half of this already just trying to put a hair mask on my hair. So yeah, I mean, for the most part so far I like it, just from what I've done so far with the products. Because after I added the water to the hair mask, it actually made it really soft. So yeah, the products, where did I get them? I got these products at Amazon, y'all. You could probably find them at Walmart or wherever, but I was currently in AIT, so we couldn't go to the store or anything, and then like the PX only had so much things, so we couldn't really find really good hair products at the PX. So if you wanted anything like really good for natural hair, I suggest you going on Amazon or to one of the other hair places you like, you know, one of their websites. So I think I paid no more than $30 for all of these products. So each product I want to say was about $7 to $10. I want to say they were like $7.99 or $8.99. I really cannot remember, but I will drop the link in the description box below, and so that you can check those out. And once my hair is finished deep conditioning, I will get back to y'all while I'm rinsing it out and let y'all know exactly how I feel about it to the T. So as far as these two, I like them. They're pretty good. I mean, it's an average, you know, shampoo and conditioner. And then we'll get back to you about the hair mask. But if you have really dry hair, I'm gonna come to y'all about some videos about how I'm gonna start trying to do some DIY hair treatments, just so y'all can see what works, what don't work, because I have really dry hair, like really dry hair, especially because I haven't really been able to deep condition my hair like I need to, especially being in basic. So yeah, but until my hair is done, I will be right back. Peace. All right, y'all, so my hair has officially finished deep conditioning. I'll take this off, and I actually went through and combed it out, and then I band-toed it because my hair was like all matted together and stuff. Not because it's just dry and stuff, but because like you're supposed to comb it whenever you put deep conditioner. So let me just take it off like this. So yeah, this is after deep condition. So yeah, we're gonna take these out, and then we're going to comb it and wash it. So stay tuned. washing out the deep conditioner. So let's see, y'all. All right. Oh, I mean, it's softer than what it was, y'all, but it's not. It's actually not that bad. It's really not that bad. So I would actually give this product maybe like a 6. So it's not really my favorite because I don't feel like it moisturized my hair as much as I needed to, but it does have my hair softer than what it was. So but yeah, I mean, I think that you should try it for yourself because we all have different hair types. So maybe it might work different for you than it did for me. But yeah, I mean, it got it pretty soft. Like, it's not as soft as I wanted it to be, but hey, we don't get everything we want in life. So, but anyway, gonna tackle this. But overall, the products aren't bad. I give them a 6. They're not my favorite. I've had better, but I wanted to try something new, so that's what I did. So, but yeah. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And make sure you comment down below if you like this video, what else you want to see, any other suggestions about what I can do for dry hair, how to better moisturize it, any products you want me to try, anything like that, just comment down below. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, and until next time, we out. Peace.
Every time she walk by, I be like, there she go.